Whoa! Fuck's sake! Fuck's sake! On camera as well.
No! How do you do your buttons right?
That's it. What? You can't go anywhere.
No! How do you do your buttons right?
That's it. What? You can't go anywhere. Dickhead. Fucking wanker. What a fucking wanker. Hard shoulder for emergency use. Everyone is tearing down the hard shoulder. I hope they all get fined.
So do I.
It's like literally everyone is tearing down. Lorries and everything. They are fucking wankers.
Oh shit, what did I do that?
What have you done? Don't let him in. Don't let him in. Don't let the cunt in. Fuck that. I ain't letting him in. Fucking wanker. You can fuck right off, you cunt. What a fucking knob. What a fucking knob. Dickhead. He's going to hit the car in front. He's going to hit it. I've fucking got him. DA67 DAR. What a fucking knob. He's hit him. He's hit the mirror.
Oh my god, what's this? What are you doing, you fool? Oh my god. What are you doing? Can't be serious. Good God.
There's the latest showbiz news at greatesthitsradio.co.uk right now. Most homes could save with Octopus Energy.
I'm glad to be part of your company now. And I've heard about it, and when people come out on the radio and saying about it, it sounded genuine.
Oh, we're really glad to have you on board. Octopus Energy, outstanding value with award-winning customer service. Visit octopus.energy/value for our calculation.
Being lightning fast is great. Fantastic even. But it's no good if you're not going to be smooth. It's a connection that's